5 signs your business needs a data warehouse today. In a world where data drives competitive advantage, businesses are often drowning in information but starving for insights. If your organization struggles with fragmented reporting, slow decision making, or disconnected analytics, it may be time to consider a data warehouse. A data warehouse centralizes data from multiple sources into a single data source. But how do you know if your business is ready for this powerful tool? Here are 5 unmistakable signs you need a data warehouse and why it matters for your bottom line. Number 1, you're juggling too many disconnected data sources. When your sales, marketing, finance, and operation teams all pull data from separate platforms, decision-making becomes chaotic and, at best, a gut reaction. Disconnected data leads to conflicting reports, redundant information, and wasted hours trying to piece together the truth. And the truth remains, you have a lot of disconnected data sources coming from a lot of software, with more than likely an API or webhooks available. However, the gap between you setting it up and actually utilizing it could be huge. That's why it's important to rely on people with experience and back-end skills. A data warehouse solves problems by integrating multiple data streams, CRM, ERP, web analytics, social media metrics, and more into a single source. A reliable source of truth. With all critical business data in one place, your teams can make faster, more confident decisions without second-guessing the numbers. Number 2, reporting takes too long and feels painful. If generating reports feels like a manual, time-consuming chore, you're not alone. Many businesses rely on spreadsheets or complex data extractions that require technical expertise to process, delaying critical insights. A data warehouse transforms this process by automating data consolidation and providing faster access to pre-processed insights. This means no more waiting days or weeks for end-of-month reports. Leadership can access real-time dashboards and make proactive decisions based on current data. Profit impacts. Faster reporting reduces labor costs, accelerates decision-making, and allows you to respond to market changes in real time. Number 3, decision makers don't trust the data. Inconsistent data erodes trust. If leadership frequently questions the accuracy of reports or different departments reporting conflicting metrics, it's a red flag. Data discrepancies often occur when systems aren't unified or data isn't manually handled across multiple platforms. A data warehouse eliminates this issue by standardizing data across all business functions. Data is cleaned, validated, and stored in a structured format, ensuring everyone is working with the same version of truth. Think about it. If you're a company that uses software constantly on every single working computer, but you don't have a data warehouse, is this a good strategy to be spending hundreds of thousands of dollars on software without consuming the data into a single repository so that you can build dashboards and analytics on it? It's a lot of money to be spending on software and not even access the data. Number 4, you can't perform advanced analytics or forecasting. Let's face it, you're playing with spreadsheets, so when it comes to data science or machine learning, you're miles away. Is your business limited to basic historical reporting instead of forward-looking insights? Without a centralized data system, running advanced analytics like customer segmentation, trend forecasting, and predictive modeling can feel out of reach, kind of like outer space, and you're just a paper airplane. A data warehouse provides the foundation for advanced business intelligence tools, rocket ships, and AI-driven insights. With streamlined data access, businesses can forecast sales trends, optimize inventory management, stop fraud before it starts, and personalize marketing strategies, all based on historical patterns and predictive algorithms. The profit impact? Advanced analytics drives smarter strategies. It reduces risks. It lowers redundant, silly tasks that look productive and opens doors for growth opportunities internally. Number 5, you're scaling and your current systems can't keep up. A business that grows, well, so will the complexity. More customers, transactions, and digital interactions often push existing systems to their limits. If you are expanding to new markets, launching new products, or simply dealing with higher data volume, your current system may be holding you back. A data warehouse is built for scalability. Whether you're managing millions of data points or planning for global expansion, it provides the infrastructure to handle growing data needs without compromising speed or accuracy. The profit impact. Scalable infrastructure prevents bottlenecks, supports expansion, and ensures data-driven decision-making stays efficient at every stage of growth. Final thoughts. Why now is the time for a data warehouse? If any of these signs feel familiar, like depending on a spreadsheet every single day, delaying a data warehouse implementation could be costing your business valuable time, money, and growth potential. Centralizing your data isn't just about convenience. It's about empowering smarter decisions, reducing risks, removing fraud, and unlocking new revenue streams. A modern data warehouse positions your business for long-term profitability by providing faster insights, improving data accuracy, and enabling advanced analytics. The sooner you invest, the sooner you'll experience the benefits of data-driven success.